Hey guys, Norm with Bear Bull Traders. It's January 7th, 2019. First Monday full week of the year. Quick recap for today. Switch to the 2-minute chart, and wow, if you're not using a 2-minute chart instead of a 1-minute chart, give it a shot. It might be twice the time. It's 10 times more smooth than a 1-minute chart. So thanks to Robert H. for working on that and pointing it out to me. I will be using the 2-minute from now on. I know a lot of people have. I was a little hesitant, but it's great. So anyway, to my trades, I did a couple of trades on MU this morning, right at the open, tried to scalp. It was just essentially break even, no big deal. The trade I want to go over is AMD. So AMD was a bit sympathetic to MU, which got an upgrade this morning, I believe. It was hanging out below VWAP, and I had this 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart that I thought it might bounce from. It had put this wick in down here. Previously, you can see it both on the 2-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. So when it broke above that, I took it. I knew it was risky because it was still below VWAP, but overall, I thought it was going to be strong, so I gave it a shot. That one didn't work out. I got stopped out. Not a big loss. That was a half size. My second one, this was a mistake. I got to be frank. Not a great trade there. But my third one was the one that I really liked. So on the 5-minute chart, it put in a higher high on this third candle here. I took this position with double size because it held previous day close. There was a previous day level right here. I had a very tight risk to reward, so I got in this at 19.11. My stop was low of day, which would have been around 10 cents, 11 cents below that. So not a big loss on that point if I got stopped out again. But it just kept bouncing off that level, and I was pretty convinced it was going to run. So went ahead, I took this, it went through VWAP pretty convincingly. It bounced around a couple of times after it right in here, but just for a few seconds before it started running. I took my first profit above this 50 moving average on the 2-minute chart. It was also, I had a few daily levels I had marked on my chart previously that had run to before that. I also had 1947. That's where I took my next off. And then I also want to show you on the daily chart, had the 50-day moving average sitting right at 1960. So that was the next spot in my mind I was going to take. So as you can see, I took my next one as it went right through 1960, another pop above that because I had another level there. So now I've taken out 25%, 25% of remaining, so on and so forth. So I had a little less, I think I had about a quarter of my shares left. I went ahead, on this pullback here, wasn't very convincing. It never broke the nine moving average on the 2-minute chart. The market was testing a level on the 5-minute. SPY was testing the 200 on the 5-minute chart as well, which you can see right here. It was right around the same time this was happening. So I thought we might get a bounce out of that, which we surely did. So I went ahead. I still had shares remaining, but I went ahead and put the rest of a full position on right here. Once again, I took out 25% of that total position at the 50 moving average on the 2-minute chart, right above the pop of that for this next level I had. And then as it went into 1970 and made new highs for the day, I started taking more off. And then I got out a little early of this trade, but nevertheless, it was like a 66-cent move total that I got on my last scale out when I got the rest of that trade out. I don't know that I would have made it through this pullback. You know, this started getting down 1950. It broke the 20 moving average. So, you know, I'm not completely upset about this. Yeah, I could have gotten a little bit more out of it, but otherwise, it was a really good trade. You know, I'm just starting to start out 2019 on a good note. You know, little gains day after day. You know, I'm not trying to make a fortune each day. With big wins come big losses. I'm just trying to really set a foundation for 2019. As I've mentioned, no FOMO 19. Let's start with little successes and build upon them. And you'll be amazed if you can do that, what'll happen to your account. So anyway, thanks for trading with us. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. Check us out on Twitter, Norm at BBT. Twitter is at NormBBT. Have a great day. Trade safe, y'all. Thank you.